Katalin Éva Novák is a Hungarian politician who is the president-elect of Hungary, having been elected in the 2022 presidential election. Upon inauguration, she will become Hungary's first female president. A member of the Fidesz political party, Novák has additionally served as member of the National Assembly since 2018 and as Minister for Family Affairs in the fourth Orbán government from 2020 until 2021. After completing her secondary education at the Szegvári Ender Secondary School at Szeged in 1996, Novák studied economics at the Corvinus University of Budapest and law at the University of Szeged. While a student, she additionally studied abroad at the Paris Nanterre University. In addition to Hungarian, Novák speaks French, English, and German. Novák started work at the Foreign Ministry in 2001, specializing in European Union and European matters. In 2010 she became a ministerial advisor and in 2012 was appointed head of cabinet of the Ministry of Human Resources. In 2014 she became State Secretary for Family and Youth Affairs at the Ministry of Human Capacities, becoming minister in October 2020. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.